Why are bathymetric contour lines challenging for map reading? Imagine trying to understand the shape of the ocean floor just by looking at lines on a map. It can seem tricky at first, but let's explore why bathymetric contour lines are often hard to read and interpret. These lines show underwater terrain, which is less familiar than land features. And like land maps, where you see hills and valleys, underwater maps reveal slopes, trenches, and peaks hidden beneath the water's surface. The challenge begins because these lines connect points of equal depth, not height. So, deeper areas have higher numbers, but they are actually lower in physical position. This reversal can confuse students who are used to thinking about elevation above sea level. Another tricky part is understanding what the spacing of the lines means. When the lines are close together, it indicates a steep slope, like a cliff underwater. When they are far apart, it shows a gentle slope, like a broad underwater hill. Visualizing these slopes underwater is harder because we cannot see them directly. It's different from land maps where we can imagine hills and valleys easily. Underwater features such as trenches or ridges often have complex shapes, making it harder to picture there from flat lines alone. Without three-dimensional views, it's like trying to understand a mountain from a flat drawing. Colors on bathymetric maps add more information, showing different depths with gradients. But for beginners, understanding what each color means and how it relates to the contour lines can be confusing. They need to read the legend carefully to decode the map correctly. Plus, underwater features lack familiar landmarks like trees or buildings, making it harder to connect what they see on the map with real-world locations. It's more abstract, so students might find it difficult to relate the map to actual underwater landscapes. To help students grasp these concepts, hands-on activities work well. Using physical models or digital three-dimensional maps allows students to see the terrain from different angles. They can trace contour lines and create their own elevation profiles, which makes understanding easier. Connecting these maps to real-world topics like ocean exploration or marine life makes learning more engaging. By practicing with these tools, students can better understand how to read bathymetric contour lines and interpret underwater landscapes. In short, bathymetric contour lines are challenging because they show underwater depths, which are less familiar than land features. The shapes are complex, and the lack of familiar landmarks makes visualization harder. Decoding color gradients and understanding the meaning of line spacing also adds to the difficulty. But with interactive tools and activities, students can develop their skills and enjoy discovering the secrets of the underwater world.